Hi student, in this video we will talk about a platform which can get you earning within 10 days. Some of you already know about this platform, but now we will go inside this platform and I will teach you how you can earn using this platform according to your skill, especially as I am civil 3D designer. Then you can also use AutoCAD or Civil 3D to take earning from these platforms. Before we have done social medias and freelancing platform, which you can watch in my previous video. Now we are going for a Udemy. Maybe you already know about that, but how can you earn with Udemy? In this lecture we will learn. Udemy is a platform where you can upload your courses related to any skills, digital skills, and immediately when someone buy your course you get paid against the enrollments. So it's not any science, rocket science, and it's not difficult. You just need any skill. If you have already any skill, then you are half done. So when you know little bit editing, video editing, then you can make your lectures and edit them for Udemy and put your course. We will see how people are uploading their course and how they are earning and how much. So let's see. It's about Python, and he is selling this course in $84.99, and he have review like 491k plus reviews. So you can multiply these $84 plus 491 reviews to get how much he is getting just from this one course. So let's see another. It's also about Python. You can see reviews and selling price. So there are many courses, but they are getting paid and they are selling their skills. You can see about Revit. He is selling $74 and already getting reviews 9,000 plus. So if we search about AutoCAD, then you will see here how much people are. You can see when we search about AutoCAD, then the best seller is on the top, and another you can see here we have he's selling $74 per, and you see 26,000 reviews. You can multiply with this price and you can see how much he is getting paid with just one course. So if you have any skill, then you can prepare lectures and upload on Udemy for different courses. It's not mean just stay with one course or two. You can upload as many courses here related to your skill and get paid. I upload this course some days ago, just a month ago, and I get earning. You can see my this month earning for January $45 for now, and I have also 14 enrollments with ratings, everything. So I was not able to do any professional editing, professional recording, but since I upload this course, I did not make any much effort about this course, but I am also getting earning with this course because Udemy have audience. Udemy have many students and all over the world students, so you can get many student enrollments here. You just need to have your skill and internet connection and video editing basic skill. So it's just one step away from your first dollar earning. If you want to know more about freelancing and social media platform, how you can get earning from them, you can watch my